Here's another available Bloomfield home in the Painted Tree community in McKinney, Texas. It's got uplights again, as well as carriage lights on the side of the garage. You got this inviting entryway, has all this curvature that adds to the different elevations throughout the face of the house. Let's take a look at the inside. Little bit of a wraparound porch where you could put some seats and hang out with the covered patio space, protecting you from the elements. As we enter in, right off of the entryway is this formal dining room with this chandelier and windows around. The opposite side off of the entryway, we have a hall bath, full bathroom with a shower. Opposite of that is the first of 6 bedrooms with 5 bathrooms. Walk-in closet. Nice windows out to your front yard. On the right, as we go down the hallway, is this good size laundry room. And under here, is your storage area underneath the stairs. Through the laundry room is your 2.5 car garage. There's this space up here for you to put shelving and storage. Extra space to the side of the 2-car garage door where you can fit all your bikes, motorcycle, golf cart, multiple different ideas of what you could store here. Dual tankless water heaters for all your water needs. Let's go back inside. So laundry room, cabinets above, your hookups, tile floor. Through the main space is your engineered hardwood floor, easy to take care of. Flows right into your open floor plan from your kitchen to your breakfast nook with windows surrounding, into your main living area with your fireplace and mantle, the stonework up to the ceiling. Over at the stairs, you have this little nook here where you can put table, chairs, art statue, Christmas tree, whatever you desire to have as a focal point. Quartz countertop with a ledge where you can sit down on your stools. With the sneak preview, you can see where the appliances will be put in. Walk-in pantry. Storage space under your stove. A vent will be in above. Over here, we got a single basin sink, great for washing the larger dishes. Cash pullout. You'll have your dishwasher to the right of the sink. Let's check out the primary suite. Nice raised curved ceiling from the windows. Bunch of natural light filling the room. Flowing into the primary bathroom. Dual vanities. Nice deep tub with the frosted glass window, bringing in natural light once again. Your step-in shower. Nice sized toilet room, plenty of space to get in now. The primary closet with clothes racks all around. Let's head upstairs. At the top of the staircase, you have this overlook down into the main space, flowing into the game room with natural light coming through the windows. And off of the game room is this upper story deck. Let's take a look at the rest of the bedrooms. Nice windows. with a raised ceiling and a walk-in closet. Good sized linen closet. You could also store some games in here off of the game room. Hall bath with dual sinks. And in here is the toilet shower room. The tile all the way up to the ceiling. The next bedroom has the curved ceiling again with dual double doors to the closet with a long rack all the way down for your clothes. Let's go to the next one. The next bedroom has an ensuite bath. Tile going up, following the curve of the ceiling. Bedroom has nice built-in shelving and a ledge below the window. Double doors into your closet. Let's go over to the bonus suite. Above the staircase on our way to the bonus suite is this contemporary beautiful chandelier. Double doors into the bonus suite. Plenty of space in the main area with natural light coming in. The bonus suite's ensuite bath is still in progress, as you can see. Prepping to put the shelving in and get your sink ready. Beautiful shower with a bench. Which flows into your walk-in closet. With a balcony over the backyard and out to the trees behind your neighbors. Let's go down to the backyard. Step outside onto the covered patio. Out to this large size backyard. Plenty of space to plant more trees, flowers, space to play games out here with family and friends. If you're interested in learning more about the Painted Tree community, take a look at this video. If this home interests you, reach out. Time to buy is right now. It's at a great deal.